I think, first of all, they've done a great job about reading the profile and having a targeted presentation for each person. That was very impressive. Specifically talking to two companies, it was very interesting that they did actually prepare a targeted proposal on what could be applicable to my field versus other professionals here. That was super impressive that there was the one-on-one meetings specifically, that the conversations were on the actual potential need versus just starting with, hey, here's what we do, here's what you might need. They just came up with an actual project proposal, well thought out, well planned, well prepared. I was super pleased and impressed with that specific preparation. I think every single person here are carrying some sort of an important leadership role, from being a vice president to being a CEO or being a technical lead. Every one of them definitely brought a lot of values.